To correctly cut the lace on your wig, you will need Jon Renau pinking shears, a Jon Renau duo tracing pencil, hair clips, a hair band, and a comb or brush, depending on fiber. First, put your wig on and pull the hair back into a ponytail and secure with your hairband. Secure the hair on the sides with your hair clips. Looking in the mirror, adjust wig to make sure it is properly centered. Use the white side of your Jon Renau Duo tracing pencil and mark where you want to cut the hairline. Double check your marking to ensure that your hairline is correct and exactly where you would like it. Remove the wig and turn it inside out. Use your Jon Renau pinking shears to cut the lace along the marked line. It is very important that you line up the blades as you trim to ensure an even pattern. Place your wig onto your head to check the alteration. If further alteration is needed, repeat previous steps.